For as long as 10K per month, pwede ka na magkaroon ng own unit mo na pre-selling na ina-offer namin. Dito lang yan sa Fairview. Sobrang ganda and napaka-convenient ang location na to, and right now we are offering pre-selling units. So tara, check natin ang 1 junior bedroom. Okay, so for our 1 junior bedroom bare unit model, meron po tayo dyan sink, then overhead cabinet, makikita nyo, then partition para sa room, then ganito po kalaki yung room, and pwede naman po natin i-design yan the way na gusto nila. Then comes the dress up unit model, then ganito yung magiging design niya, and about the design, kayo naman po yung bahala dyan kung ano yung gusto nyong ipalagay or kahit ano, anything. Then ito naman yung room, napakaganda. So yan, then ito yung kitchen, dinesign na din. Then ipapakita po namin sa inyo yung 1 bedroom unit natin na dress up na din. So at your left side, yan yung kitchen sink, then overhead cabinet. Then pagpasok nyo, makikita nyo agad yung sala, and fronting that is our amenities. So next is our room, and as you can see, kasya po dito ang queen size bed. And next is our toilet and bath. Then dyan na po ilalagay yung washing machine. So this is our pool area, and as you can see, napakahangin po niya, especially paghapon. Sobrang sarap mag-relax yan. Kasama yung family mo, then friends mo. So that's it. If you're currently looking to buy a property na malapit lang sa Bulacan, and if you're also working along the metros, you might want to consider this property kasi sobrang lapit lang niya sa bagong ginagawang MRT7 that interconnects the MRT along the EDSA. So minutes lang, nasa EDSA ka na. So that's it. If you're interested in viewing this pre-selling project, you may send me a message or contact me on this number.